Hello, everyone. Let's talk about the new topic fractions. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. So, if you look at this example, you can see that two parts out of total five parts are shaded red. So, the total number of parts which are equally divided is denoted by 5, and 2 is the number of shaded parts. Here 2 is the numerator, which talks about the number of parts we are talking about, and 5 is the denominator, denominator, which is the total number of parts. Now if I consider some shapes like this, it have 5 circles, and let me color two of them yellow. Now in this case it's not one single part, this can be called fraction of a set or a collection. How many circles are yellow? So out of total 5 circles, 2 of them are yellow. So in this case, this is called fraction of a set or a collection. Now there is one more thing you would like to know: fraction of a number. If I say, what is half of 12? Half can be written as 1 upon 2, 1 half. One whole is divided into two equal parts. Total number of equal parts and the number of part we are talking about. So one part out of total parts. So this is a half. So if I say fraction, I want fraction of a number, half of 12. It is same as saying I want to divide 12 into two different groups. Same as saying half of 12 is same as, okay, let's write it as First, let's write it as half of can be replaced by the multiplication sign. Half of 12 is written in numbers like this. Half of 12, which means 12 into 1 is 12. And because there is nothing here in the denominator, we can take it as 1. 2 into 1 is 2. This is same as saying 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. Okay, if I want to say half of 36, what is half of 36? So I will write it as half of 36. I replace of by the multiplication sign. Then I'll write it as 36 divided by 2. If I know the tables up to 20, I can easily tell the answer. But then if I want, I can also do long division and find out 36 divided by 2 is 18. So half of 36 will be 18. Let's try out one more example. 1 by 4 of 16. I can write it as 1 by 4 into 16, which means 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. What could be 1 by 8 of 32? Let's solve it. 1 by 8 of 32 can be written as 1 by 8 into 32, which is 32 upon 8. 32 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. That means 32 divided by 8, which is equal to 4 again. Notice that we are using only unit fractions here. Unit fractions are fractions having 1 in the numerator. Fractions having only 1 in the numerator. So just erase this. I hope it's clear. I want you to find the answer of a few sums and write in chat what would be 1/6. I read it as 1/6. 1 is read as it is, and 6 is read as, because 6 is in the denominator, it's read as 1/6. 1 by 8, 1/8, EIGHT, 8th. I think there's slight mistake in the spelling. 8th, 1/8, or how do I read this? 1/10, 1/3, 2/3. 2 as it is, 3 will be written read as the ordinal number of 3, 2/3. So I wanted you to solve a few sums. 1/6 of 36 equal to what? And 1/4 of 48 equal to what? and 1/9 of 72 equal to what? We can have also bigger numbers, three-digit numbers here, like suppose I'll say that will need you to divide it. Maybe 1/3 of 171. Let's try it out. It can be written as 1/3 of 171, which is 171 divided by 3. Let's do the division, long division here. 3 fives are 15, 2 and bring down 1. 3 sevens are 21. So I can say 1/3 of 171 is 51, 57. Okay, so keep practicing, and then I'm sure you'll be an expert